Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today this is our 13th class of Adobe Illustrator. So yesterday I have received a message from Sparna. She said that I request you to make videos on typography and Illustrator shape builder tools. So as she said, she wants tutorials or videos on typography and Illustrator shape builder tool. So today I am going to teach the shape builder tool. And Suparna, typography is a different thing, and I will make a whole series on the typography and I will teach you each and everything about the typography. So for that you have to wait. And today we will talk about the shape builder tool. So let's start. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. So first of all, open Illustrator, and as I have created the artboard here, now this is our shape builder tool. The shortcut is Shift plus M. When I press Shift plus M on my keyboard, it will select the shape builder tool. Now what the shape builder tool does, for that we have to draw some shapes here. As I draw this circle here, a square, and I draw another square here, and on top of that I draw a circle. Now I change the colors of these shapes. Now when I select all of these shapes, now all of these shapes are in selection. By pressing the Ctrl A, you can select all shapes. Now when I select the shape builder tool, and when I go on any shape, then it will show this type of lines. It means it will cut this area. If I click here, now it has cut that area, and now this circle is like this, because I have cut this area by using the shape builder tool. So let's say I again use this, and now I cut this, and this one also, and now this is our square, this is our circle, and this is the half part of that circle which we have cut from it, and this is our square. So now after that you can understand that what the shape builders do. So let's say put it here, and I create a polygon tool. By using a polygon tool, I create a polygon here, then by using the ellipse tool, I create an ellipse here, and then I put it in the center of the ellipse tool, and then I change its color. Now when I select the ellipse tool, let's make it little bit bigger, like this. Now when I select these two shapes, then select our shape builder tool and cut it from here, here, and here. Now when I delete this part, now as you can see this, that polygon will show something like this, and it will create a shape like this. By using the shape builder tool, you can draw some amazing shapes and logos and other things. So let's say when you see the logo of Olympics, let's say show the logo of Olympics, it will something like this. So let's say create the logo of Olympics in Adobe Illustrator. I draw a circle here like this. change its color to yellow. Now when I press the Ctrl C, then it will make a copy of this circle, and then when I press the Ctrl F or Ctrl B, when I press the Ctrl B, it will paste that copy in the back of this circle, and when I press Ctrl F, it will paste that copy on the top of this circle. So for this I select the Ctrl F, and after that I resize it. Now this is our copy and this is our real circle. And now I select these two circles and go to Pathfinder. By the way, I will make a detailed video about the transform. I have told you about the transform in my previous video, but I will make a detailed video about the align and Pathfinder. So today we will use this one, minus front. So when I click here, it will delete the front circle. You can do it like this, and you can also do it by using the Pathfinder shape builder tool. And you click here. Now it will cut this circle from this one, and I delete that. Now make a copy of this circle, press Shift and Alt key, then press Ctrl D, then press Alt key on your keyboard and make a copy of this circle, something like this. Again press Alt and Shift, and again make a copy of this one. Now let's say if we change its colors. Second one is black, the third one is red. This one is the blue, yellow and green. Blue, it's yellow and it is green, dark green. So yes, now as you can see this, the blue one is on the top of the yellow one. Select these two shapes, select the shape builder tool, then simply click here, and now it has been separated from these two shapes, and you can change its color to this. So yes, and the next, the black is on the top of the yellow. Select these two one, select the shape builder tool, click here by using, select this one, and there are different methods to create this logo, but today I am showing you the shape builder tool, so I will teach you this method. And here the black is on the top of the green one. Select these two, select the shape builder tool, and then click here. Now it has been converted to black already. Now here red is on the top of the green. Select these two one, select the shape builder tool, cut this, so by the way, you can design this logo by different methods. You can also design this logo by only using the Pathfinder. So today I will teach you that how can you create this logo by only using the shape builder tool. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If yes, then tell me in the comment section of this video, and my Facebook link is in the description of this video. Whatever you create by using this shape builder tool, don't forget to share that design with me on my Facebook, and I will show that design in my next video. So goodbye.